Hello guys, could you move your hair? Thanks. We are back with another back to school. We're back. Okay, we're back with another back to school video. This is an easy one. Are using our trusty dandy SharNaturals Ayurvedic Oil. It helps with growth, and y'all gonna see this growth in this hair right here. Don't get your eye?
No.
Okay, so we gonna grease this scalp. Put your head down. Put your head down.
There's no wall touching her eye.
We are going to put some of this Ayurvedic oil in her scalp to get this scalp, you know, give it the food it needs to stimulate this growth. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see a year from now, y'all gonna be like, dang, look at Brianna's hair, look at Brittany's hair, y'all out here flourishing or whatever. Yep, you're gonna wish you got the oil. And I'm not getting paid for it. This is an oil that I really feel helps. Like, I could show you a video. Actually, look at this video of Anaya last year or the year before last. And then you see her hair now in this video. And then you'll see the difference. The other video, you know, my editing skills wasn't that great. I forgot to take out a part. She's not too fond of it, but you're going to see the difference in her hair. Our parting, we did a part this way and this way to braid right down the middle. Okay, so I'm going to get my edge control. We've been using the Lottabody Control Me 24 Hours Edges, coconut oil, whatever it is on it. And we're gonna just use, I told you the edge control helps lace the hair down, if you didn't know. I mean, I think a lot of us know that already. And it helps to give you that sleek look. And you know, that's if you want a polished look. Not everybody wants their edges laid or anything like that. And I'm not telling you you should have them. But for me, for a style that I want to last, we do this. So we're gonna start cornrowing here. We're gonna take 3 strands like this, and then we're gonna start connecting it. Take this finger, use your other 2 fingers to hold the other hair, and you go underneath like this. Put your head down so they can see. Styles by rubber band method. Put some boxes or parts in boxes and then connect it. I don't know. You can make it work. You can make it twist instead of braids. You see I'm using the edge control and I'm putting it all on her hair because we want her hair to stay sleekly, sleek. Qhemet Biologics Burdock Root Buttercream. We're gonna lay them edges. We're gonna lay them edges. Can you mind your business? Because I can sing. People done told me I could sing. So don't be a hater. Whatever. And start to braid it. Am I breathing hard, guys?
Yes.
Damn, I'm out of breath. You see what I'm saying?
Stop saying. You not to laugh out loud.
So we got a back to school look that is so cute. Look at that. She's bossy. I'm the one that. Here we are. So if you like what you see here today with the Bree, the little princess, you got the older princess, and then the younger princess, and then the queen tea in the house. Press that subscribe button. We leaving now. Peace.